Imagine a world where finding your way is as easy as a tap on your phone. Picture this: fans at a stadium effortlessly finding their seats, locating washrooms, and discovering vendors with just a glance at their phone. Event planners elevate your trade shows and conferences by removing the chaos of navigating the floor and finding booths. In retail, guide customers straight to the products they need while showcasing personalized promotions. Museums and galleries can now offer immersive guided tours, letting visitors uncover hidden gems in augmented reality. In hospitality, ensure guests have a flawless stay with easy indoor navigation and engaging AR content. Real estate professionals let prospective tenants explore properties independently and envision potential with AR staging. Universities streamline campus navigation for students and visitors infused with educational AR activations, and hospitals reduce stress and late arrivals with turn-by-turn AR guidance. Transform your venue with innovative indoor mapping solutions. Contact us today to enhance your visitor experience and streamline operations.
Until you get linked social, who's talking about you? GetLinkedSocial.com.